everybody, this is Daria, artist who paints on clothes, and this is a short video of the art challenge painting clothing on the leaf model. Yes, I challenged myself to paint clothing on the leaf model at the public place, and I have just 2 hours to complete the artwork, and I will paint freehand because I don't have time to transfer image to the clothing, so it will be very exciting, but also it will be very fun. So, let's begin! Thanks for watching, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more hand painting clothing videos. Many unique clothes you can find in my Etsy shop, I put the link down below. Write to me your thoughts in the comments. See you, bye bye!